This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone showing SOS only with iOS 17. So if your iPhone is on SOS only mode, follow these simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on mobile data options, and enable and disable data roaming, and then check the issue. The third solution is again tap on mobile data, tap on network selection, and enable and disable network selection, and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix iPhone showing SOS only issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.